5 Best Power Cables. Here is the product number 5. Ugreen USB to DC 3.5mm power cable. Ugreen USB to DC 3.5mm power cable USB male to 3.5 jack connector 5V power supply charger adapter for hub USB fan power cable. Feature 1:USB to DC 3.5mm. Feature 2:USB to DC 5V power cable. Feature 3:USB to 3.5 1.35mm. Here is the product number 4. ATC 30cm Dual PSU Power Supply. ATC 30cm Dual PSU Power Supply 24-pin ATX motherboard mainboard adapter connector cable 24 plus 4-pin synchronous. Brand name SHCHV. Type power cable. Model number Dual Power Supply Cable. Color black. Length 30 cm approximately. Weight 75 grams approximately. Here is the product number 3. 24-pin power supply synchronizer. (24-pin power supply synchronizer male to female ATX mining 30 cm 24-pin dual PSU extension cable for computer adapter for mining. Brand name Jon Snow. Type power cable. Model number Dual PSU power supply. Products status stock. Here is the product number 2. 20cm PC power supply CPU Molex 8-pin. 20cm PC power supply CPU Molex 8-pin to 2 PCIe 8, 6 plus 2, pin Express graphics card connectors internal cable power splitters. Brand name InLabs. Type power cable. Model number :12423-192. Type key graphics card power cable. Conductor :18 AUG copper. Here is the product number 1. Dual PSU power supply extension cable. ATX 30 cm 24-pin dual PSU power supply extension cable synchronous cord for computer cable connector for mining 24-pin 20 plus 4-pin. Brand name SHCHV. Type power cable. Products status stock. Model number Dual Power Supply Cable. Length 30 cm. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.